Imagine a creature so vast, it can part forests like curtains, yet so gentle it can pluck a single blade of grass with care. This is the elephant, a marvel of nature that has captivated humans for millennia. These magnificent beasts roam the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia. They leave us in awe with their size, their grace, and their intelligence. Did you know that an elephant's trunk contains over 40,000 muscles? That's more than all the muscles in the human body combined. This remarkable appendage serves as a nose, a hand, a trumpet, and even a snorkel. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity. Elephants are more than just their physical attributes. They possess a depth of emotion and intelligence that rivals our own. They form deep, lasting bonds with their families and friends. As we embark on this journey into the elephant kingdom, prepare to be amazed. Now let's delve deeper into the remarkable world of elephants. Elephant society is a marvel of the animal kingdom. It's a complex matriarchal structure that revolves around family units. At the heart of each herd is the matriarch. She's usually the oldest and wisest female. Her experience guides the group through challenges. From finding water in times of drought to protecting the young from predators, her leadership is crucial. These family units typically consist of related females and their offspring. Adult males, known as bulls, usually leave the herd when they reach sexual maturity. They often form loose bachelor groups or roam alone. The bonds within elephant herds are incredibly strong. Elephants greet each other with great enthusiasm after even short separations. They use their trunks to caress and comfort one another. Young elephants are raised communally, with aunties often helping to care for calves. This shared parenting ensures that young elephants learn from multiple role models. An elephant never forgets. This old saying turns out to be remarkably accurate. Elephants possess an extraordinary memory that serves them well in the wild. They can remember the locations of water sources over vast distances and long periods. This ability is crucial for survival, especially in times of drought. But their memory goes beyond mere survival. Elephants can recognize individual humans and elephants they haven't seen for years. There's a famous story of two elephants, Shirley and Jenny, who were reunited at an elephant sanctuary after 22 years apart. The moment they recognized each other, their joy was palpable. They trumpeted and caressed each other with their trunks, clearly overjoyed to be reunited. Elephants can keep track of the whereabouts of dozens of other elephants. Matriarchs use their memory to lead their herds to food and water. They remember routes from years past, ensuring the survival of their family. This generational memory helps elephants navigate their ever-changing environments. When we think of intelligent animals, dolphins and chimpanzees often come to mind, but elephants are right up there with the brightest in the animal kingdom. Their problem-solving skills are truly remarkable. In captivity, elephants have been observed using tools to reach food. They've even been known to move boxes into position to stand on and reach higher objects. One particularly fascinating example of elephant intelligence is their ability to cooperate. In one study, 2 elephants were presented with a task that required them to pull 2 ends of a rope simultaneously to receive a reward. Not only did they quickly figure out the task, but they also learned to wait for their partner if they arrived first. Elephants also show signs of self-awareness, a trait shared by only a handful of species. When presented with a mirror, they can recognize their own reflection. This suggests a level of self-awareness that was once thought to be unique to primates and dolphins. Section 5. Communication beyond words. Elephants are masters of communication, using a variety of methods to convey messages. The most obvious is their trumpet-like call, which can be heard for miles. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Elephants also produce low-frequency rumbles that humans can't hear. These sounds can travel through the ground for kilometers, allowing elephants to communicate over vast distances. Elephants are incredibly tactile creatures. They use their trunks to touch and caress each other, conveying affection, comfort, and reassurance. A mother elephant will often rest her trunk on her calf's back as they walk, a gesture of protection and guidance. In moments of excitement or distress, Elephants may intertwine their trunks, much like humans might hold hands. Visual communication is also important in elephant society. They use a wide range of body postures and gestures to convey meaning. It's a sophisticated language that researchers are still working to fully understand. Section 6. Emotional depth in the animal kingdom. The emotional lives of elephants are rich and complex, rivaling those of humans in many ways. They experience joy, playfulness and love, but also grief, anger and stress. Elephants have been observed comforting each other in times of distress. They do this by making gentle chirping sounds and caressing the distressed individual with their trunks. Perhaps the most poignant display of elephant emotion is their response to death. Elephants have been known to stand guard over their dead for days. They gently touch the bones of deceased elephants with their trunks. Some researchers believe they may even return to the sites where loved ones have died years later. But it's not all somber. Elephants also display great joy and playfulness. Young elephants in particular are known for their exuberant play. They chase each other, splash in water, and play with objects in their environment. Section 7. Playful pachyderms. The lighter side of elephants. Elephants are often portrayed as gentle giants, but they also have a playful side. Young elephants are known for their exuberant and mischievous behavior. They chase each other, play fight, and engage in games of King of the Hill. Water brings out the playful side in elephants of all ages. They love to swim and bathe, using their trunks as snorkels. They splash, spray each other, and roll in the mud with obvious enjoyment. Elephants also show a remarkable sense of humor and mischief. They've been known to play tricks on each other and even on humans. Section 8. Guardians of the ecosystem. Elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystems, often referred to as ecosystem engineers. Their large size and diverse diet mean they have a significant impact on their environment. As they move through forests and savannas, they create clearings that allow new plants to grow. This helps maintain a diverse and healthy ecosystem. One of the most important ways elephants shape their environment is through their dung. Elephant dung is packed with seeds from the many plants they eat. As they travel long distances, they disperse these seeds far and wide. Many plant species rely on elephants for seed dispersal. Without elephants, these plants would struggle to spread and survive. Elephants also create water access for other species. During dry seasons, they use their tusks to dig for water in dry riverbeds. These elephant-made water holes become a lifeline for many other animals. Section 9. Facing threats in the modern world. Despite their size and intelligence, elephants face numerous threats in today's world. The most pressing is habitat loss. As human populations expand, elephant habitats are being converted into farmland and urban areas. This not only reduces the space available for elephants, but also leads to increased human-elephant conflict. When elephants raid crops or damage property, it can lead to retaliation from local communities. Poaching remains a serious threat, particularly for African elephants. The illegal ivory trade continues to drive the killing of elephants for their tusks. Despite international bans on ivory trade, the demand persists in some parts of the world. This illegal hunting not only reduces elephant numbers but also disrupts their social structures. Climate change is emerging as another significant threat to elephants. Changes in rainfall patterns can affect the availability of food and water. Section 10. Hope for the future conservation efforts. Despite the challenges facing elephants, there is reason for hope. Conservation efforts around the world are making a difference. Many countries have strengthened their anti-poaching efforts, leading to a decrease in elephant killings. Advanced technologies like drones and satellite tracking are being used to monitor elephant populations. Community-based conservation programs are showing great promise. These initiatives involve local communities in elephant protection, providing economic incentives. Some communities have developed elephant-friendly tourism programs. These allow them to benefit economically from the presence of elephants. Efforts to protect and restore elephant habitats are also underway. Corridors are being established to connect fragmented elephant populations. Degraded habitats are being restored, providing more space and resources for elephants.